Today we are discussing about a new functionality for multiple pickups store in the website. So for configuration in the setting, you need to firstly approve the delivery locations. So here in the configuration, so first of all add the multiple warehouses for your delivery pickups. Okay, so select them and make it publish. Now, in the website view, in the shop, purchase any of the product. At the product detail page, you found a new option for pickup store checkability. So here you can simply found here the three options which are selected in the pickup locations, and it is showing availability for them. Also, it is representing the geolocation map. Okay, you can simply select from the postal code also and select like which is available for delivery pickups. Okay, whenever you uh, check out here in the checkout page, also you can find here the pickup in store. At the end, you can select and choose this location, and the delivery will be done from this warehouse only. Okay, so thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to Connect Info Systems YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.